Siemens and Sony generated buzz during CES 2024 in Las Vegas, showcasing the XR headset they partnered to develop for immersive engineering. The device, powered by Qualcomm's XR2 Gen 2 processor, is designed for industrial metaverse applications. Technical specs include 4K OLED displays, DCI-P3 RGB support for realistic colors, and 6 cameras and sensors. The headset's visor can be lifted via a hinge, allowing users to view their real surroundings without removing the device completely. The announcement came the same day Apple announced the release date of its Vision Pro headset. ZDNet's Jason Hinner got a rare chance to try the Siemens-Sony headset, which is expected to be released later this year. Reflecting on the brief demo, he wrote, "The virtual environment that I hopped into felt like the wing of a museum with columns and sculptures and had a very pristine feel to it." One thing he didn't expect was the headset to be tethered to a laptop. The USB-C connection is necessary to power the Siemens NX Immersive Designer software that's compatible with the headset. Delivering general praise for the device's build and user experience, Hinner stressed the demo only consisted of a few simple scenarios. Though the headset isn't intended for consumer experiences, it's still generating interest outside of industry. Duncan Robertson wrote in GamesRadar.com, "Perhaps the thing that made me most envious of 3D content creators is the controllers the headset comes with, because they are not your run-of-the-mill VR controllers." Stanislav Serbazov wrote in Phone Arena, "If there is a way to get a hinge, via which I can lift up the visor to take a look at the real world, without excessive light leaking being an issue, I'd sign up almost immediately." The industrial metaverse is converging technologies that, when integrated properly, create immersive experiences for 3D virtual physical environments intended for industrial applications. According to a Deloitte survey, 92% of manufacturing leaders indicated they were implementing at least one industrial metaverse use case in 2023. Most were running 5 or 6.